Hello everyone. Welcome to Huxtello iTech, where we bring you the latest updates and insights. I'm Jest, and today we're diving into a pressing issue for many of you: why salary validation is delaying in Ghana this month. If you find this information helpful, please subscribe and hit that notification bell for more updates. So, let's get into the three main reasons why salary validation is delayed this month. First on our list is the reconciliation of nominal roles nationwide against the total workforce on the controller platform. Due to recent findings by the special prosecutor, there have been discrepancies discovered between the nominal roles provided by various management units and the actual workforce on the controller platform. This means that some people might be receiving salaries from different institutions, or their status might be incorrectly marked. To address this, the Controller and Accountant General's Department is working to ensure that the nominal roles match the actual workforce accurately. This process is crucial to eliminate ghost names and ensure transparency. The second reason involves technical reasons. The IT department is working hard to update and maintain the systems required for accurate validation. These technical processes are essential to ensure that everything runs smoothly and that although we don't have all the specifics, we believe that the ongoing technical updates and system checks are contributing to the delay. Ensuring that the system is up to date and secure is a priority to avoid any future issues. The third reason is what we call the collect early, pay later principle. This is a common situation where the government or employers prefer to delay salary payments slightly each month. Let me explain how this works. Typically, salary payments start from the 21st to the 24th of each month. However, this period can gradually extend to the 25th, 26th, 27th, or even later. This means that over time, the employer can effectively keep your money for a few extra days each month. If you add up these delays over the course of a year, it can amount to more than a month of withheld salary. This delay in validation is part of that process. If validation is delayed, salary payments are also delayed, allowing the employer to retain the funds for a little longer. So, to summarize, the three main reasons for the delay in salary validation this month are: reconciliation of nominal roles against the total workforce, technical updates and system maintenance, the collect early, pay later principle. Understanding these factors can help us be more patient and prepared for any delays in our salary payments. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Huxtello iTech for more updates. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or need further clarification. Bye for now and take care.